Okay, got all the windows in. As you can see over here, the light is making it tough to see in here. So you can see I got the wall up over there. And if I can get over there, you can see on the right, I don't want to go too far because the light will kill the camera. But you can see I got a header above that window now finally. But I get it all torn out. And if you go over here, you got the wall. It's going to be going into the laundry room as well as the panel box, hot water heater, everything will be in here. So got that room in there, got a new window put in there. Over here is going to be the bathroom. In the back there you'll have the bathtub, the shower, and then you'll have the toilet over here to the left, with just on the left side of that bag. And then I'll have the counter for the sink base and everything here. And then if you look over here into this bedroom, as you can see on that window on the left, I have a header above that window now, which they didn't have before. That window there will be coming out in front of us, and I'll be closing that off, and I'll be putting in the mini split on that wall to heat and cool that room. And this will be the bedroom. Right here's the doorway going in. And then to the right, I'll have a little bit of a closet space there. So I'll have a closet at least. And then in the back, I'll have a spot for like shelving. And then this area here is going to be the dining area and kitchen. So now that I got these windows in, I can start getting the electrical run for all of that. Then I got the new door put in yesterday. That door weighed a ton. Not that one, but the old one that I took out. But that one I got a lock, but now I got to get a deadbolt for it. But this is the old door here, and that is a solid door. It's got an oak veneer on it, but it's that glue and I don't know, whatever you call that stuff in the middle. But man, that thing was heavier than hell. Had to weigh at least 300 pounds. So anyhow, that's all done. Getting it all cleaned up. So now it's basically just the electric and start doing the bathroom. And then once I get the inspection for the electrical, I can finish insulating and close her up. So it's looking good.